feet away from others. You're probably aware today that we've gotten some new news about the value of potentially using two masks or double masking when it comes to being protected. And the findings in the new CDC study align with what we've been saying, which is that a quality filtering mask that is well fitted will reduce the amount of aerosol you produce, as well as protect you from the aerosols that you might come into contact. We know, for example, that the respirator N95, which fits very nice and tight across the face, has both strong filtration and a great fit. And the goal, of course, is to try and create the same mask experience with something a little more simple and more available. These procedure masks, however, run the risk of having leakage on the side. The science today that the CDC shared was just showing us that if you can create a better fit with less leakage, you're less likely to spread through aerosolization or to receive aerosols. And they did this by either making a modification to this mask or using a double mask system. By tying a knot at the base of the mask, bringing the two corners together with the knot, and then tucking in that corner, you create a mask that now has fewer leaks along the sides. And so this mask was studied in the report today and found to reduce the spread of aerosols when worn by somebody who's coughing. The other finding was that if you were wearing a regular mask and wore a second mask on top of it, this would also help make sure that the fit was nice and tight and would also reduce the amount of spread of aerosolizing particles when you cough. So it's all good news. It says that if you're wearing a mask and if it's nicely fitted, either because of the modification you've made or a doubling of the mask, you will help prevent the spread of aerosols that may contain COVID. So it's our role over the next few months as Coloradans to be sure we're doing everything we can to reduce the spread. Even after being vaccinated, we should be wearing masks when we go outside. And if you don't have a well-fitted mask, consider wearing two that you know should help in that closure of those open spaces.